students, my volunteers count the vote, and this was pretty cool. A lot of you, wow, it was close call, but there's only one winner and I only have one trophy. I wish I could give one to everyone, but let's give a round of applause for all of our restaurants, all of them. Thank you so much for participating. I want to thank a couple other people. Uni Latina, Miami-Dade for the free massages. Let's give it up for Miami-Dade. Woo! Thank you, Miami-Dade College. Oh my goodness, where is God is Bigger Than Cancer? She's here somewhere. God is Bigger Than Cancer, great organization. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And Waste Pro, so that we didn't throw all this stuff on the floor. Thank you to Waste Pro. Awesome. Eli's Tires, and of course Walmart for all of the drinks, and again our restaurants and volunteers and my staff, Wes Pascal and Miss Abden. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. I really do appreciate it. I love this initiative. It's one, I guess this is now my signature event. We can call it that, right? It's what a success. So are you ready for the winner? All right, restaurants, are you listening? All right, we do have a winner. Can I get a drum roll? Yeah? All right. The winner of 2018 Taste of Miramar is Alphagon. Alphagon, come on out. Come get that beautiful trophy. Oh my goodness, I think she's running around saying we won. Come on over, come get your beautiful trophy. Miramar has voted, and it's right here. I think, come on up, make your way up to the stage. We gotta take some pictures. Alphagon, congratulations, and I want to say congratulations to last year's winners, Sushi and Thai of West Miramar. Woo! We love you. Thank you so much for participating. Alphagon, wow, congratulations. Woo! You're very welcome. This is yours. So let's take some pictures. Let me give this back. Can I give this back for a moment? All right.
Absolutely.
This is all. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you. This is my happy. Come on, honey.
You ready?